What is good mga ka-champion and welcome back to another video. Today's topic guys, very important. Ano yun? Isa to sa mga questions o common queries na nare-receive ko na out from the many followers, subscribers o sino mang mga sumusuporta dyan guys is the question is, Sir, na-try ko naman, inaral ko naman yung strategy nung ni ganito, ni ganyan. Pero hindi pa rin nagwo-work sa akin. Hindi pa rin ako profitable like they always advertise, right? So again, guys, very general naman yung tanong niya, no? And I think most of you guys can relate. Okay? Even I myself, when I was starting, no, it's quite common question. Pero paano ba natin i-approach yan? Paano natin masusolusyonan? And how can we be profitable using someone else's strategy? Okay? So first things first, you have to okay, see it for yourself muna. Okay? Trading is not just you learning the strategy. Okay? Maraming factors that would affect yung results. Okay? If I were to break this down into simple three core skill o concept, so bakit tatlo? Okay, hindi ba enough na mag-aaral lang ako ng strategy mo or this and that? Kasi tandaan nyo guys, if you want to be part of our global TFP VIP Champions community, you may want to check out my offered 3 programs. This might be able to help you be better on your trading needs. So for the option 1, this is the TFP Champion 90 days one-on-one mentorship program. Again, this is done via Zoom and schedule is based on your convenience and availability. So this is really catered for those zero knowledge, basic, intermediate, up until to advanced. Syempre, kasama na rin dyan yung ating main strategy na sa VIP ko lang tinuturo, our TFP Champion System. For the option 2, this is the TFP Champion Masterclass Lessons. So I do understand yung dilemma sa karamihan na paiba-iba yung schedule nila sa work. So again, nagkakaroon tayo ng difficulty makapag-avail ng mga one-on-one mentorship. But take note, make no mistake, I have managed to prepare 28 masterclass lesson so you can learn at your own pace. Importante dito, these are all downloadable so you will have lifetime access sa mga learning materials na to. So walang excuse hindi mo matutunan itong TFP Champion System. And lastly, for the option 3, if you want more of a fast track, this is the TFP Champion Bootcamp. So we're going to meet 4 times per week session because this is a 5 weeks program. So again, everyone can learn the TFP Champion System. So you might want to check out these 3 options to cater your needs. Sa trading, to be honest, based from my years, more than a decade of experience, okay, yung technical analysis na kung saan obsess halos lahat is the least of my concern and priority. Okay? Everyone can learn a strategy. Tandaan nyo yan guys. Everyone can learn a strategy. Pero, ano yung dalawang core skill na kailangan nyo pang matutunan? Sabi ko nga, di ba, technical analysis is the least of my concern. Okay, ano yung una, pinaka-importante at ano yung pangalawa? Una, since trading is all about decision making, you must have a good experience how to handle emotions. Okay? Sad to say, this is not easily taught sa lahat. Okay? It will take you experience para mag-grasp mo yung ibig ko sabihin. So, kailangan mo talaga mag-live trade. This is not an overnight skill na, magaling na ako sa ganito, sa ganyan. So, that means, it all boils down, pinaka-importante is yung trading psychology mo. The reason, probably, ikaw yung nagtanong, kaya hindi ka naging profitable is, you are poor in handling your emotions or bad ka sa mga decision making pagdating sa trading psychology. So, which means, a huge factor why you are losing and not making it dito sa industry is you have a poor trading psychology. So, ano nga ba yung mga bagay na paano masabi mo na you have a bad trading psychology? Number 1, pinaka-common, FOMO. Right? Gasgas na to guys. Fear of missing out. Remember guys, you don't have to chase for the price. Okay? timing is everything. If you have a good strategy, okay, alongside with knowing well yung mga workaround sa strategy mo, papasok dyan yung good decision making, at the same time yung good timing mo sa entry at ganoon din sa exit. So, if worse is hindi mo na nga ganun kakabisado yung strategy, tapos hindi mo pa alam saan ka papasok at entry on the proper timing, talagang magiging impulsive ka. Impulsive means hahabulin mo yung price. Nagiging parang kung ano yung makita mo ngayon sa screen, actual, doon nagbabase yung decision mo. Alright? That may not always be the case. Kasi syempre, usual scenario, I'll give you one scenario. Whenever we see a market going up, most of you guys are having that urge na kailangan ko nang bumili kasi may iwan ako ng price. Sayang yung next move niya. Again, there's a possibility and probability naman na tataas siya ulit. Okay? Pero, take note, you also have to account na what if you're wrong. Di ba? So, syempre, dyan na papasok yung trading strategy mo. So, if wala ka nun, tapos hindi mo pa alam ang gagawin pagdating sa decision na yan, at situation na yan, definitely you're going to have a bad decision. So, number one, wag nyong hahabulin yung price. Okay? If you have a good strategy, alam mo na hindi pa dapat bumili or bibili ka na. Okay? Ano pa yung mga usual scenario na malaman mong you have a bad trading psychology? Okay? Whenever our mind or yung sarili natin, we are under stress. Example, you have consecutive losses. And you have, let's say, 3 running trades na all negative. Usually, mga susunod mong trades, hindi mo na iisipin whether it fits your strategy or it fits your rules o conditions ng strategy mo. Kasi ang thinking mo, kailangan mo na makabawi, di ba? Kasama dyan yung tinatawag nating revenge trading. Okay? Sad to say, sakit yan ng lahat. Lalo na yung mga nagsusugal. Kahit hindi ka sugarol, o kahit wala kang experience sugal, you will experience that, yung revenge trade. Kasi, ang human nature natin, impulsively, is kailangan mong makabawi agad. So, ang tendency ng tao, kapag natatalo na siya, is you have to win a one-time, big-time opportunity. So, ano mangyari? Dito na papasok, syempre, yung pangalawang skill na kailangan matutunan, proper risk management. The reason you are not making it, the reason you are not profitable is you also have poor risk management. Okay? Marami na akong kilala dyan. They have the funds, malaki yung kapital, pero in less than a week or even less than a month, nasunog lahat. Okay? Kasi bakit? They know the technical pagdating sa part na yun, pero they are overtrading, they don't calculate the risk, they just know they have huge capital. Hindi na realize na every loss, okay, syempre mababawas yung account mo, and they don't take into account yung percentage, gaano kalaki yung nababawas ang account nila. There may be trades na 10%, there may be trades na kung talagang hindi ka na-calculate, you don't realize it's already 15-20% ng account mo. That's huge, di ba? That means, nilalaan mo ng talo mo, yung capital mo, you don't realize. That's why, if you're starting, start small and build that good habit. Okay? Na magkaroon ka ng proper risk management, a good trading psychology, and in alignment with your technical analysis. So, laging tatlo yan. Okay? Huwag kayong masyadong obsessed sa technicals na kailangan kong matutunan yung ganito, kailangan kong marunong gumamit ng indicators. Again, nothing wrong with knowing all of that. Pero that is not always the answer. Alright? When I teach someone, okay, hindi lang umiikot sa technicals. Alam niyo ng mga estudyante ko. Kasi, ang market is not perfectly designed para sa technicals lang. There may be other things na hindi mo control. Nandun nga yung ating fundamental aspects. Okay? Yan yung mga economical issues, di ba? Global crisis, that would affect really yung price and you cannot do something about it kasi you are just a private individual unless you are a market mover. Alright? Okay? Or kaya naman you have all those huge billions of dollars capital na you can really move the market. Unfortunately, 95% no. Di ba? So, let's be realistic. So, again, try to assess yourself. I think hindi naman problema yung strategy. You can learn anyone's strategy, pero you also have to check for yourself. Am I knowing my weaknesses? Okay? Masyado ba akong nagmamadali? Masyado ba akong atat mag-trade? Masyado ba akong nag-overtrade? Hindi ba ako nagka-calculate? Diba? Ang dami. The list goes on and on pagdating sa sarili mo pa lang. Imaginein mo, marami ka nang aaralin sa technicals, pero mas marami palang factors why you are losing because ang problema, ikaw. Alright? So, yun yung gusto kong i-emphasize. For me, I realized that after 1.5 years when I was trading. Kasi, like you guys, I was also obsessed with technicals. Then I come to think of it na, okay, I'm following all the trading rules, pero I know for myself, I am not 100% sure of my decision. So that's why, uh, yung factor of number one, trading psychology, emotion control, two, risk management, and technicals, hindi sila nag-a-align, okay, during my time. So, nung napagtugma-tugma ko yan, I'm not saying it's perfect, pero it takes experience. That's why I highly encourage na you have someone that will guide you. Okay? Hindi enough manood-nood lang kayo. Okay? You may learn, you may win few trades here and there. Pero if you really want to be serious and make trading as a form of living, no? Hindi yung habi-habi lang, ikita ka lang ng barya-baryang $2, $5. That will not make you a fortune. Okay? What I'm saying is, if you're earning sa trading less than 5 minutes, $1,000, okay? 20 minutes, $3,000, then we're talking, okay? Yun yung goal nyo. Yun yung targetin nyo. And sad to say, I think most of you guys might probably need some mentor or guidance, okay? It doesn't have necessarily to be me, okay? You can find someone, okay? Mag-join kayo ng mga academies, okay? Pero I recommend na huwag kayo dun sa mga bot algorithm. Okay, gagawin lang kayong bobo nun. Okay, gagawin kayong mga syunga-syunga. Alright? Okay, sorry for the word, no? But don't take this negatively. If you really want to make this a form of living, you must try to endure and know the manual trading. Okay? Huwag kayong ma-hook dun sa mga, wala na kayong gagawin, just have to put your money and kami na bahala. John, 99% may scam ka dyan. 9% wala kang matutunan dyan. And 99%, you will fail in the long run. That is not sustainable, right? Learn the manual trading from someone, do your own research, check for yourself, okay? And I think you'll be able to make it if you follow some of my advice, okay? Don't take everything that I said, no? Do your own diligence na mag-research kayo, learn for yourself. Pero if you really want to shorten that learning curve, again, I always say this, okay? If you really want to be part of a profitable TFE VIP global community, you may want to check out my offer 3 programs. Again, this might be able to help you be better on your trading performance or needs, diba? So for the option 1, this is the TFP Champion 90 Days One-on-One Mentorship Program. So this is done by Zoom, and convenience nito is the schedule is based on your availability. So this is done twice per week session. This is really catered for those zero knowledge, beginner, intermediate, up until to advanced. Siyempre kasama na dyan yung mga hindi ko tinuturo publicly. The TFP Champion System na tinuturo ko lang sa VIPs. So, option 2 is the TFP Champion Masterclass Lessons. I do know may mga struggles sa schedule kaya hindi tayo pwedeng mag one-on-one. So, he's the best option for you guys. I have managed to prepare 28 masterclass lessons. So, everything is downloadable. You have lifetime access of material. Everything is there. Full charting analysis, fundamentals, etc. So, everything is downloadable. And good thing is, you can learn at your own pace. You just have to manage your own time. Kung night shift ka, day shift, may mga changes, you still be able to learn the full TFP Champion System. So, walang excuse. And lastly, for the option 3, if you want more of a fast track, this is the TFP Champion Bootcamp. So, this bootcamp is a 5 weeks program. So, again, it's more of a fast track. So, ibig sabihin yan, you will be meeting 4 times per week session. So again, full charting, everything will be learned in that 5 weeks program. So whichever will work for you at your convenience, go check them out. May offered 3 options. So again, I hope this might be able to answer yung question mo, Nina. All right. So before I end this video, thank you so much to all my TFE BAP champion students all over the globe, subscribers, followers, at kung bago ka, salamat din. Feel free to share my videos, like, and spread the word. So God bless and see you all on the next videos. Bye-bye.
Alright guys, so I just want to inform and announce that our TFE VIP Champion Student private Discord community is already up. And yeah, here we have several channels wherein we share our technical trading ideas among each other. And of course, we also have our weekly trade ideas para sa ating mga weekly forecast para sa mga currency pairs and some announcement section. And of course, since tayo ay global, of course, we have other students as well na galing sa mga ibang bansa overseas. So, we introduce ourselves and introduce kung saan tayo galing, sa bansa tayo ngayon, OFW man o hindi. But nevertheless, this is a healthy community para mag-share ng mga trading ideas para sa inyo guys. And hopefully, I will be putting up a server publicly para sa mga baguhan naman and those mga followers and subscribers natin. Alright? So yeah, this is just a minor announcement, and hopefully, guys, you can join us and make this community grow, lalo na sa ating mga estudyante nag-aaral. Alright, guys, so mga baguhan pa lang. But nevertheless, everyone here wants to learn, wants to make profit from the market, but as much as possible, we're all equal in the eyes of the market. Alright, guys, so that would be it. So, yun lang, and thank you very much. Right, bye-bye.